Hello everyone, great to have your company yet again on Kalkine TV. I'm Sage, you're watching the Buzzing Trends show. The S&P ASX200 banking sector is performing low on the ASX today, and the index traded 0.45% lower in the morning. Recently, RBA Governor Lowe signalled further rate hikes amid inflation and recessionary fears. However, he was confident on the Australian economy's ability to weather faster interest rate hikes. After Lowe's speech, the sell-off in the banking sector appears to have paused. ASX200 Banking Index has gone 2.84% up in the last 5 days. On that note, let's now take a look at the performance of the Big Four banks of Australia on the ASX. Let's begin with Commonwealth Bank of Australia. Its shares traded at $89.58, being down by 0.19% on the ASX today. CommBank comes under the financial sector and is a major banking and financial services related entity. Its shares have declined 14.78% on a monthly basis and down 10.98% in the last 6 months. On a year-to-date basis, the shares have decreased by 12.61% as of today. The company has a market cap of close to 153.14 billion Australian dollars with an annual yield of 4.17%. Moving on to the next Big Four bank, Westpac Banking Corporation. Its shares traded at $19.38, being down by 1.20% on the ASX today. Westpac is Australia's first bank and oldest company, one of the 4 major banking organisations in Australia and one of the largest banks in New Zealand. The shares have declined 17.65% on a monthly basis and down 8.56% in the last 6 months. On a year-to-date basis, the shares have decreased by 10.50% as of today. The company stands with a market cap of 68.69 billion Australian dollars with an annual yield of 6.16%. The next Big Four bank we'll take a look at is Australia and New Zealand Banking Group, also known as ANZ Bank. It's traded at $21.92, down by 0.68% on the ASX today. ANZ is one of the major lenders in Australia's financial sector and provides individual and business customers with banking and financial products and services. The shares have declined 13.56% on a monthly basis, and in the last 6 months its shares are down as well, 20.14%. On a year-to-date basis, ANZ shares have decreased by 21.68% as of today, and the company has a market cap of 61.65 billion Australian dollars with an annual yield of 6.52%. Last but not least on the list, National Australia Bank, also known as NAB. It's traded at $27.19, being up by 0.22% on the ASX today. National Australia Bank is primarily the provider of banking and business banking services. The major segment of the bank includes business and private banking, consumer banking and wealth management, corporate and institutional banking, customer products and services, and New Zealand banking. The shares have declined 12.54% on a monthly basis, and over the 6-month period, the shares have fallen 5.88%. On a year-to-date basis, National Australia Bank shares have decreased by 7.52% as of today. And the company stands with a market cap of 86.65 billion Australian dollars with an annual yield of 5.16%. And hopefully that was informative for you. Now it's time to wrap up the show. Big banks across Australia have suggested that a recession is underway in the US economy. Both the Commonwealth Bank of Australia and National Australia Bank have forecasted that a recession is imminent for the United States. However, the Reserve Bank of Australia and even some of the nation's big banks are expecting Australia to survive this incoming crisis without taking much of an impact. Amid worldwide recession fears, it will be interesting to see how Australian banking stocks will fare in the coming months. We'll keep you updated as the situation progresses. And with that, we've reached the end of this edition of the Buzzing Trends Show, but we'll be back again next week with another special edition for you. Please keep it locked on Kalkine TV. We have more excellent shows and market insights, expert talks, all lined up for you. Sage here, signing off for now.